Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by measuring precisely and cutting your Virat Kohli signature panels to length. This saves time once paste is applied. Apply paste evenly to the back or wall per manufacturer instructions and fold pasted edges toward center to relax the adhesive. Next, align the top of the first panel to the plumb line and press gently at the center so it won't shift. Once done, smooth downward to expel air pockets and match any signature alignment before moving to the next panel. You now join the second panel to the first, carefully matching the signature's slope and spacing so the design reads continuous. Make slight edge-to-edge contact without stretching, then smooth from the seam outward to eliminate bubbles. If panels overlap, use a straight edge and sharp blade to double-cut both layers for a perfect seam, removing the excess. Keep a damp sponge on hand to wipe paste smudges. Make sure to check vertical alignment frequently so the signature stays straight across the wall. You finish by trimming precise edges at ceiling and baseboard with a sharp blade and straight edge. Take short strokes to avoid tearing. Roll seams gently and wipe glue smears immediately, then let the wall dry as recommended while keeping the room ventilated. If small bubbles appear, lift to re-smooth. For trapped paste, blot with a damp cloth. If a panel is badly misaligned, remove it carefully and reapply a fresh strip. This saves the overall look more than forcing a crooked signature to remain.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.